Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to put money into Webull. First, you'll need to link a bank account to your Webull brokerage. This secure connection allows you to transfer funds easily. Once linked, you can initiate a deposit directly from your bank. We'll cover the different methods available to ensure a smooth funding process. It's a straightforward process designed for your convenience. Linking your bank account is the first crucial step. Webull offers real-time verification, often through services like Plaid for an instant connection. If your bank isn't listed, you can manually link it using your routing and account numbers. Remember, the bank account must be in your name to comply with regulations and ensure successful transfers. This process secures your funds for future deposits. Once your bank account is linked, initiating a deposit is simple. Navigate to the transfer section in your Webull app or on the website. Choose the bank account you wish to transfer funds from. Then, enter the amount you want to deposit. For ACH transfers, there's typically a daily limit of $50,000. Carefully review all the details before confirming your transaction. Webull offers several ways to fund your account. ACH transfers are a popular choice, typically taking 3 to 5 business days to clear, and they are usually free. For faster access to your funds, consider a wire transfer, which often processes within 1 business day, though your bank might charge a fee. Remember to check the description for a link to those leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Choosing the right method depends on your urgency and preferences.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.